Hello traders, today is the 23rd of June 2010. Okay, and I have here the 20 days chart of the USD yen. Okay, this is the big picture. Okay, so if you want to know exactly what is going on with this USD yen, this is where you can find out everything that you need to know about this USD yen. Okay, so like I said, you must draw your trend lines. Okay, so you start drawing them. Okay, just start drawing them. You join the tops. Okay, this is what I've drawn first. Okay, I will try. That's what I'm trying to say to you. I try to go into the mind of other traders by drawing my trend line as I feel like. Okay, so I'm drawing them all. Okay, here, so that I know exactly what other traders also are likely to do. Some people may say that that's a completely stupid way to draw a trend line. That's fine. That's my own way to draw my trend lines, okay, in order to know exactly what is happening in the market, okay. So I draw them like I like to draw them, like this, okay. So then I know exactly what's going on. Then I draw also my horizontal line, okay, the support zones, the resistance zone, okay. I draw them like because it's not a line, it's a zone, okay. So you can draw them as you like. Just remember that it's not a price level but a price zone, okay. That's why the price you see or this candle that went all the way down, come back. It's a zone. This is a zone. It's not a line. Okay. People think of resistance as a line. It's not a line. It's a zone. That's why sometimes people will locate a resistance level and then they place order to sell there, only to see the price going further up before turning around. Okay, because it's a zone. It's not a price level, a magic price level where the price will come and touch it like a wall and then just hit it and return. It's a zone. So the emotion, the sentiment of the market, what's going on in the market, the news, the economy affect the price movement during that time. When the price is approaching the resistance zone, it does not mean that by all means like the bird will hit a wall. Okay, it doesn't happen that way. Okay, the price is approaching the resistance zone. Some bull will try to break the resistance zone by pushing the price above the resistance zone, okay. And then some bear will try to sell at that resistance zone. So when you locate a resistance zone, don't just think that that's it, I'm going to sell here and walk away and say to the market, pay me now. No, because some bull will try to place orders around that resistance zone in order to push the price above that resistance zone to have a breakout, okay. So if you don't know about breakout, you can Google it, because the price will come and break the resistance zone that people were expecting the price to come back from. But if the resistance is strong, okay, a value resistance will stop the price going further up. The price may break it for a while, but it will come back below it. That's why you have to remember that the zone is a zone, is not a price level but a zone. Like if I draw a line here, it does not mean that if the price come exactly to this line here, it must return. No, it's a zone. The price may break it even with one candle before turning around. So when you switch back to your longer time frame, do not just start selling because your stochastic or whatever is overbought. Wait for your trend line, okay, to be broken, okay, and then you look for other things carefully and then you sell, okay. Don't assume anything, okay, because it's not your father's business, like I used to say it all the time to you, okay. So you know that there are other participants in the market that would like to buy. When you are selling, you know that somebody else is maybe buying. So that's why we're talking all the time about probability, okay. So you want to sell where we can find more sellers. So you are not the only one selling there. So you have hundreds of thousands of traders, professional traders, especially the institution backing you up, bringing the price to the direction that you're expecting the price to go. Same thing if you are buying, don't be the lone buyer there. try to locate other buyers coming into the same zone. So when you draw your lines like this, you do not just jump and do your own thing, but you wait for other traders, which means you wait for the trend line to be broken, either to the upside or to the downside, respecting exactly what the price itself is telling you. Because the price, okay, is showing the action of everybody. It's the summary of the action of everybody. Okay, when it's confirmed that the bear are winning, you will see the trend line breaking to the downside. Okay, and when it's confirmed, if the price confirmed to you that the bulls are winning, you will see the trend line being broken to the upside. Okay, so right here we have the 20 days. My apologies for this. My connection is down for a few moments. Normally it should come back in a few seconds. Okay, it's back now to normal. Okay, bear with me please. My apologies for this. Okay, it's all back to normal now. My apologies for this. Okay, just to wait for some reset. Okay, it's done. Okay, now when we are in this, my apology for that. Okay, right here we are at a support zone here. The price, this is 20 day. We are expecting the price maybe to come back down, but this doesn't look very convincing for me because the price formed this nice hammer here, but the price did not continue straight away to the upside, but it's finding more resistance at this zone here. So when you are trading here, you have to pay attention to all the ups and down here. It looks to me like a consolidation a bit here. This is not very convincing that the price is turning around here, because after all this hammer here, the price couldn't continue the movement straight away to the upside. It's coming back down, putting into question this support zone here. But we know if you look on a higher time frame like this 20 days, you know exactly what's going on here. Okay, the price touched this zone here, it's coming back down. It's likely to find support near this second trend line here. Okay, so the best place to try to buy again is near this second trend line here. Okay, if that one also fell, you will try to look for this third trend line here. Okay, by also the support also is here, but that support is not very strong. That's why the price trying to come back again, so it's likely to try to find support near this second trend line here. If that second trend line has failed, you may try to find support near the third one here. Okay, so with this information here on the 20 days chart here, 20 days kind of monthly chart here, you know exactly what's happening on a higher time frame regarding the USD yen. Okay, so if you're on your 5 minute trying to jump into the market, you should know at first what's going on the higher time frame, so you have a bit of idea. That's what these people did here. They see that the price touched this one here, went down. Okay, this one happened. Now they are busy selling here again, so you should also try to sell. If I'm on a lower time frame, I'll be looking to sell, waiting for the price to come back down here to test this second, okay, this second trend line here. If you break through it, we'll continue to sell till you find support on the third one here. That's how you will. If you find support on the horizontal line, then the price may turn around. Okay, so that's how you will. This is what I'm talking about, the top-down trading method, which means you go to the higher time frame to locate your key resistance level, and then you come to the lower time frame to start using your trading system around those key levels. Okay, like the professional trader, that's where you will meet people with a fat wallet supporting your trade for you, and then you are rewarded quickly. Okay, and you dancing all the way to your bank manager or whatever. Okay, so do not place your trade in the void. Place your trade around key zone. Trade around key zone during the time the TSTW24 traders know exactly when they should come into the market. So when you come into the market, like I said to you, those particular time, okay, where the professionals also are busy, okay, you locate those key levels and you trade around those key levels, okay, using your powerful TSTW24 trading system. I hope this video is useful to you. Okay, so till next time, enjoy yourself and be very, very happy, and also enjoy the World Cup. Thank you.